Shaohui Cemetery, desert mummies with European DNA. While the 1418 map hints at possible ancient global connections, another discovery offers more concrete evidence that early China may have had more interaction with distant peoples than previously thought. Deep in the Taklamakan Desert of Xinjiang province lies one of China's most perplexing archaeological sites, the Shaohui Cemetery. First discovered in 1934 but not fully excavated until 2005, this Bronze Age cemetery contains remarkably preserved mummies that challenge our understanding of ancient migration patterns. Dating from approximately 1800 BCE, these naturally mummified bodies present a striking anomaly. Despite being buried in Western China, they have distinctly European features: fair hair, long noses, deep-set eyes, and unusually tall statures. The preservation is extraordinary thanks to the desert's extreme dryness and high salt content. Bodies interred nearly 4,000 years ago still have visible facial features, complete clothing, and even hair color. Women were found with long blonde and red hair, braided in distinctly non-Chinese styles, wearing woolen clothing and felt boots more typical of Eastern Europe than ancient China. What truly revolutionized our understanding came when geneticists conducted DNA analysis on these remains. The results were startling. The maternal lineages showed connections to both East Asia and Europe, while the paternal DNA predominantly linked to ancient European and Siberian populations. This genetic evidence suggests a population with mixed ancestry, with strong connections to the Eurasian steppe cultures thousands of miles to the west. The cemetery itself contains unusual features unlike traditional Chinese burial sites. Bodies were buried in wooden boat-shaped coffins, positioned upright rather than lying down. Each coffin was topped with a wooden pole, often carved to resemble a human figure or phallus. The positioning appears deliberate. Male mummies face east toward the rising sun, while females face west toward the sunset. Artifacts found with the bodies add to the mystery. Researchers discovered cannabis plants laid across the chests of many mummies, suggesting its use in burial rituals. Small pouches containing ephedra, a plant with stimulant properties, were found with many bodies. The clothing shows sophisticated weaving techniques using wool and felt, materials uncommon in early Chinese textile production, which primarily used silk and hemp. Perhaps most puzzling are the symbols painted on some coffins and carved into wooden markers, a writing system that bears no resemblance to early Chinese scripts and remains undeciphered. Some symbols show similarities to early Indo-European pictographs, while others appear unique to this culture.